In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky Add to Cart button on Shopify. This is a simple change that can make a big difference to your store's conversions because it keeps the Add to Cart button visible while customers scroll through your product page. Let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you manage the look and feel of your website. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your current theme. Right next to it, click on the option that lets you edit or customize your theme. This will take you into the theme editor, where you can visually adjust how your store appears. Inside the theme editor, look toward the top center of the screen for the page selector. By default, this is usually set to the home page. Click on that dropdown. You'll see a list of different page types you can preview. From this list, choose Products, and then select the default product template. This ensures you're editing the layout that most of your product pages are using. Once the product page loads in the editor, turn your attention to the left-hand panel. This panel shows all the sections and blocks that make up your product page. Look for the section called Product Information, usually found under the Template area. Click on Product Information to open its settings and customization options. Inside the product information settings, scroll through the options until you find something labeled sticky content or similar wording provided by your theme. Enable this option. Turning this on will make the product information section, including the Add to Cart button, stick to the screen as visitors scroll down the page. This way, they'll always have quick access to purchase, even if they're reading a long description or reviews. Now, let's test it. Look at the live preview on the right side of the editor. Use your mouse or trackpad to scroll up and down the product page. You should see that the Add to Cart button remains visible on the screen, instead of disappearing as you scroll. If it stays in view, you know the sticky behavior is working correctly. When you're happy with how it looks and functions, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Once it's saved, your live store will now show a sticky Add to Cart button on your product pages.